I'm having another go at trying to use up that purple PLA Plus that I picked up in a charity shop. That stuff, Sunlu I think is the brand. Having real trouble trying to get it to print. I gave up a week or so back and put it to one side, but I decided to have another go. It seems a shame to waste it if I can make use of it. Don't know. We'll see when it's finished. It's a fairly random item I'm printing. It's one of my solar pulse motor bases. But that was just something I pulled out of my stock of designs just to try printing with some different heat settings. Got it set to 215 for the nozzle and 70 for the bed. And on there it says it could be up to 230. We'll see. It's failed every time I've tried to do it so far, but that was a few weeks back.
Good morning, guys. Hi guys. I'm going to retire this solar pulse motor. When I say retire, it's softened in the sun and it's bent out of shape. So it's not really repairable. I did adjust the tension on it, I suppose you call it, the distance between the top and the bottom by adjusting that screw, and that did get it going again. But I'm going to take it apart now. I'm going to pinch the solar parts out of it, and I'm going to do another gin glass project. What we've got here. So gin glass from Poundland. It's plastic. I just like the shape of them. Now I actually printed this base quite a while ago, along with several bits and pieces that I was working on. So I can take a shortcut. The black piece I've just reprinted, the base. But I'm going to try and reuse that wheel because it's already got the magnets in place. So I'm going to take the solar parts out of that, put them in here and see if we can get it running. In there. Well, that didn't work out quite as planned. Too much friction with that setup at the moment. Need to do more work on it. So instead of that, we've just got a single pendulum effect. I've got a magnet glued up in the top there. Bent paper clip, another magnet sitting on the other end of it. And then here we've just got a flat plate hiding the solar rocker coil circuit, and I extended the wires a little bit so we come through nicely to a proper little holder for the panel. So that'll do for now, and I'll have to do some more work on that sort of thing. Far too much friction. It runs for a matter of seconds and then it just grinds to a halt. Whereas that's quite happy. And you can probably see we haven't got any sunshine out there at all. That's grey skies. And I'll probably do something similar with the other green pulse motor. They've just suffered too badly in the hot weather.